V380 cameras are popular for their affordability, but connectivity issues are a common frustration. As of 2025, these issues often stem from three main categories of problems. The three main causes are Wi Fi connectivity problems, power supply complications, and app synchronization challenges. Let's examine each category in detail. First, Wi Fi connectivity problems. V380 cameras primarily use the 2.4 GHz band, and they need a stable signal between negative 50 dBm and negative 70 dBm. This signal strength meter shows the optimal range. Microwaves, baby monitors, and even Bluetooth devices can interfere with this signal. Distance from the router also matters, typically working best within 30 to 50 feet. Network configuration problems like DHCP lease expiration or router firewalls blocking the camera's communication ports can also cause disconnections. Secondly, power supply issues. These cameras need a stable 5-volt 1-amp or 12-volt 1-amp power supply. Voltage fluctuations or using a poor quality adapter can lead to automatic disconnections. Cable resistance in long power runs affects voltage stability, and temperature fluctuations can impact adapter performance. The cameras may also enter sleep mode during low activity periods. Lastly, app synchronization challenges. The V380 Pro app version 4.x series has improved connection protocols, but older cameras might struggle with compatibility. This leads to peer-to-peer connection failures or unique identifier conflicts if you have multiple cameras. Cloud server communication problems and regional server differences can also affect connection stability. Understanding these three categories of issues, Wi-Fi connectivity, power supply complications, and app synchronization challenges, provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting of your V380 camera offline problems. The first step in troubleshooting your V380 camera is power verification. Many offline issues stem from inadequate or unstable power supply. Use a digital multimeter to measure the actual voltage at your camera's power input. V380 cameras typically require stable 5-volt 1-amp or 12-volt 1-amp power supply. Check your power adapter specifications and inspect all cables for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If possible, test with a known good power supply to eliminate power issues. Phase 2 focuses on network analysis. V380 cameras require a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal and proper network configuration. First, verify you have a strong 2.4 GHz signal. V380 cameras do not support 5 GHz networks. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer to check signal strength and identify interference sources. Next, check your router's DHCP lease table for IP address conflicts. Multiple devices trying to use the same IP address can cause connection issues. Review your router logs for disconnection patterns and test with a direct Ethernet connection if available to isolate Wi-Fi issues. Phase 3 addresses app and firmware synchronization issues. Compatibility problems between your app version and camera firmware can cause persistent offline status. Start by verifying your V380 app version is compatible with your camera's firmware. Clear the app cache, remove and re-add your camera to refresh the connection. For persistent issues, consider these advanced solutions. Implement quality of service rules on your router to prioritize camera traffic and configure static IP addresses for your cameras. For power improvements, consider an uninterruptible power supply for critical cameras or power over Ethernet adapters for simplified power delivery and improved reliability. By systematically following these troubleshooting phases, power verification, network analysis, and app synchronization, you can resolve most V380 camera offline issues and significantly improve reliability.